Good morning, folks. This is Bradley. Just want to let you know that just around about a few minutes, we're going to have a tornado warning siren test here in Wert this morning. Because every Monday morning at 10 a.m., we have a siren test every Monday morning. Well, except if there's a holiday, we usually don't do it. Let's move back just a little bit so we can get more closer. Not that close. I know. I should park right here. I should get closer. Alright, folks, it's only 9:58. I'm located here at Jubilee Park here in Wert, Ohio. I got a tornado siren that's closer to me because I'm not that far from this park here. So you can hear the sirens go off since it's a really nice, beautiful, sunny day. See, it's a nice, beautiful day for a good siren test here in Wert today. Don't worry, the sirens will be going off in just about a few minutes. It's only 9:59, so only got just about a minute. All right, it's 10 o'clock. It should be going off in any second. It's 10 o'clock. There she goes, baby. Yes, that is loud, isn't it, folks? Well, folks, I hope you're really enjoying that. I know it was loud because a lot of sirens need to be loud, so it lets people know out here just in case if we have an actual warning for our county. Just for example, if if Van Wert County is under a tornado warning, if it doesn't include the city of Van Wert, then our FEMA director of our county usually sounds the sirens. Rick McCoy usually sounds our sirens just in case when it comes to a tornado warning, in case if we have an actual possible of a sighting of a tornado or spotted somewhere outside the city of Van Wert. Yep, sirens are really important to us. They can warn us in case if we have an actual tornado sighting. Well, folks, I hope you really enjoyed this tornado siren test. And I'll see if I can probably do more soon, okay? We usually do ours every Monday morning at 10 a.m. Weather permitting or whatever day. If there's a holiday on Monday, then he doesn't usually do them just in case. So we can celebrate a holiday that usually celebrates on Monday. Like Memorial Day and other holidays that usually celebrate on Mondays. Alright, well, folks, well, you all have a good day and you all stay warm. Hope you enjoy your siren test too, wherever you are here in the United States, in the world. Alright, thank you. We all have a good day. Enjoy this beautiful day. Enjoy the weather where you're at today. And stay warm, stay dry, stay cool. Be careful out there. Alright, thank you. Alright, bye.